Good evening. My name is Rob Anderson. Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. It's Sunday night on, the 20th of September. I'm sitting here. The Twins are winning. The Vikings just got stomped by the Indianapolis Colts. Just kind of getting ready for the week and asked to make an introductory video. So let me introduce you to me. I've been teaching at Park Center for 13 years. I've been in the Osseo School District as a teacher, math teacher, since 2003, and love what I do. If you're watching this video, it's likely that I'm your son or daughter's math teacher for the school year, and so let me show you a couple things that might help you navigate some of the things that we're going to be doing and some of the work that we do in class. So we've got our LMS, our learning management system, Schoology, and your son or daughter is likely in one of two classes: nonlinear algebra, which is the first 3 credits that the state requires for graduation, or AP Stats, which is an elective math course that kids can opt to take their sophomore, junior, or senior year after they've taken Algebra 2. And both are kind of set up the same way. At least to get started, the kids will have access. And students can go to osseo.schoology.com and they can log on, and you can see that we've got material published in a, decreasing week order. Students won't have every single week that you see here available to them, but when it is the current week, they will be able to see that material. We've got plenty of items in the first week. If I open it up, you can see a couple very important things. Our syllabus is present, and our Google Meets link is also there, and they can click on, parents or students can click on that link, and they can join me live during their scheduled class period, or they can join me live from 7:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. during office hours on Friday. This is our nonlinear algebra course, but let me show you that our AP Stats course is set up the exact same way. Before I go there, though, both courses do have a daily attendance form. That is how we're doing attendance. So if you jump back into week 1 in the AP Stats course, you'll see your syllabus and your link, and students do have, of course, both of those things posted, and they're always ready. Students do a very good job of joining. So it can be used to connect with me. How to put it? I'm available during our scheduled class times and office hours. The option to meet by appointment is also available. So if a student has an extra need, or a need for clarification or something like that is more easily taken care of via that Google Meet option, we can definitely do that. Getting a hold of me, messaging me is pretty gosh darn easy. During the school day, I can be called at the Park Center building line, 763-569-7600. The Schoology messaging option, most students know how to do this. You can pull down your course options, and there's the send message. This one is me. There's quite a few Andersons in the school district, but I'm the one with the blue and black image there, so students can message me that way. Email is also very easy. I'm andersonr@district279.org, or I'm andersonr@apps.district279.org. So any of those work. Thank you for your time. I look forward to meeting you, hopefully in person one of these days. But if we've got to do it virtually, for now, I'll take it. So any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day.